कि ईरान से बहुत सी बातों पर समझौता हो चुका था। जेडी वेंस, स्टीव विटकॉफ और जैरेड कुशनर ने अच्छे मुज़ाकरात किए। ईरान के साथ यूरेनियम के मामले में इत्तेफाक नहीं हुआ। दुनिया को आबनार हुर्मुज़ की ज़रूरत है। अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की वाइट हाउस में गुफ्तगू। कहा, अमरीका के पास सऊदी अरब और रूस से ज़्यादा तेल के ज़खायर हैं। ईरान कभी भी जौहरी हथियार हासिल नहीं कर सकेगा। ईरान से पैगाम आया था, वो बेचैनी से मुआहदे के लिए तैयार हैं। आबनार हुर्मुज़ पर नाकाबंदी शुरू कर दी है। ईरानी बंदरगाहों की नाकाबंदी में बहुत से मुमालिक हिस्सा ले सकते हैं।
He's done a good job, and Steve and Jared, they've all done a very good job. And I can tell you that we've been called by the other side. They'd like to make a deal very badly. And we agreed to a lot of things, but they didn't agree to that. And I think they will agree to it. I'm almost sure of it. In fact, I am sure of it. If they don't agree, there's no deal. There'll never be a deal. We don't need this. We have our own oil and gas, much more than we need. We have more oil and gas than Saudi Arabia. Think of this. We produce more. Saudi Arabia and add Russia to it. Substantially more. And by next year, we'll have double that amount. So we don't need it. They've offered the services. We'll let it be known probably tomorrow. Iran will not have a nuclear weapon, and we're going to get the dust back. We'll get it back either. We'll get it back from them or we'll take it.